What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we just recently picked up the Yeezy 380s Blue Oats. We're gonna be giving you guys our thoughts and opinions about this sneaker. I know a lot of people are talking a lot of trash about the sneaker, so we're gonna be giving you guys our take on it, how it stacks up against the other colorways that has released so far.
And guys, make sure you also stick around to the end of the video because we're going to be showing you guys how we style the 380 Blue Oat, because it's definitely going to be one interesting sneaker to style on feet. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video.
Even though a lot of people were talking trash about this sneaker, it's still sold out. We're lucky to get our hands on a size 8.5 and it comes in a standard 380 box. Nothing really special. I'm definitely excited to see how the sneaker looks in hand. And guys, we were lucky enough to get our hands on the size 8.5 because it was very hard. I think they made limited pairs of this sneaker.
When it comes to the colors on this sneaker, I love this translucent part on the sneaker. It really stands out. And when it comes to the upper, it has like a bunch of different colors. I love this gold color on the sneaker. It really stands out. And it has like a bunch of neutral grays on the sneaker as well. And when it comes to the collar of the sneaker, like the inner portion of the sneaker, it has like this light salmon color, which I really love. Now, having this sneaker in hand is definitely a very polarizing sneaker that most people are not gonna like, but I personally like the colorway because it has this really interesting color that you're not gonna see on most Yeezys. So this is definitely a very unique Yeezy sneaker that you're not gonna see around, so we had to add it to the collection.
Yeah guys, pictures online don't do the sneaker justice. When I first saw pictures that surfaced about the Blue Oats, I was not gonna cop it because the picture had this mustard kind of color. The colors don't even look like the sneaker in hand. This sneaker actually looks totally different than the pictures that are surfacing. And we got the non-reflective pair because I think it's not worth it to get the reflective pair. It's a little bit more expensive, so we just end up choosing the non-reflective pair.
And it definitely looks very fire on feet. I actually like this colorway a lot better than the Mist. The Mist was a little bit too neutral, which you can wear a lot of stuff with it, but I actually like the pop of color that this provides to your outfits. It's definitely gonna look very interesting on feet.
Yeah, the sneaker is definitely gonna be harder to style than the Mist, but if you style the sneaker right, it's definitely gonna add some more drip to your outfit and give you really unique looking outfits. It has a lot of colors that you can draw from to make out a lot of outfits for different seasons, so I would think this sneaker is very versatile to wear all year round.
The 380 silhouette is definitely a very interesting new silhouette from Yeezy, and I'm really interested to see what other colorways are gonna come out in this sneaker since they put out this really interesting colorway, and I'm really looking forward to the other colorways. Now, when it comes to styling this sneaker, I personally think if you go ahead and match the colors on the sneaker, it's not gonna give you some really interesting outfits. I personally think you should go ahead and add some neutral colors to your outfits because it's gonna make the sneaker pop and stand out in each outfit.
Yeah, if you try to just match the colors of the sneaker, it's definitely gonna be very hard because there are a lot of colors from the sneaker and it's not gonna look good. It's gonna look boring and basic, so neutral outfits would definitely make the outfits stand out.
And it's definitely gonna look like you're trying too hard, so
yeah,
definitely not want to stay away from that.
With that being said, we're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about the sneaker. We're just gonna show you how we styled it on feet. And if you guys are new to the channel, please guys, go ahead and leave a like in this video right now because it really helps the channel. And please subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we post a new video.
We're certainly gonna be dropping more how to style videos, so if you guys like these type of content, make sure you drop a comment and a like on this video because it's really appreciated. We're gonna see you guys in our next video.